Vivo Y11 comes with a waterdrop style notch up front. Vivo India has launched yet another smartphone in the country. The Vivo Y11 is the latest addition to the company's portfolio in the budget smartphones category. The key highlights of the smartphone include the massive 5000 mAh battery, Halo FullView display and more. Here's everything you need to know about the new smartphone. Vivo Y11 specifications. Vivo Y11 features a 6.35-inch IPS LCD panel with a resolution of 1544 by 720 pixels. The smartphone is powered by the budget-oriented Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 processor. The device packs in 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable using a microSD card. It runs on Google's Android 9 Pie operating system layered with Vivo's FunTouch OS on top. All of this is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery. On the optics front, the Vivo Y11 sports a dual-camera setup at the back consisting of a 13-megapixel primary and a 2-megapixel secondary lens. Up front, there is an 8-megapixel selfie shooter with f1.8 aperture. In the connectivity department, the Vivo Y11 gets Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB OTG, GPS and more. Vivo Y11 price, availability and offers. Vivo Y11 comes in mineral blue and agate red color variants. The smartphone comes with a price tag of Rs. 8,990 and it will be available across all offline channels and Vivo e-store starting today. As for the launch offers, the company is offering no-cost EMI of up to 6 months on online purchase. Offline buyers can take advantage of 5% cash back on HDFC, ICICI, Axis Bank debit or credit cards till December 31st.